said I was resisting.
You just don't talk.
No, but it's good.
It's on camera.
I threaten you.
Am I detained?
You are being detained. I want you gone. I want to ban you. I want to run your
That's
ID.
fine. I ain't broke a law though.
And then let you go.
I ain't broke.
Since now you want to stay.
The encounter begins with the sheriff demanding the citizen's identification without any evidence of a crime. Under Texas Penal Code Section 38.02, a person is only required to identify themselves if they are lawfully arrested, not simply detained. Despite this clear legal standard, the sheriff threatens arrest in an attempt to force compliance. Calm but firm, the citizen refuses, highlighting the sheriff's overreach and requesting a supervisor to clarify the law.
How you doing?
She kind of filled me in on what was going on. Did she explain to you that they can't sell baby formula once they return it?
After she already did.
Okay, it's time to go.
So if it's
and you're
against the
banned
law.
from here. They don't want you back in here.
Okay.
So if you come back, what's your name?
You don't need my name.
Oh yeah, I do.
You sure you know the law?
Yes, sir. I think I know the law.
Okay.
Basically, you got more important stuff to be doing right now.
I know.
So I just want to get your name and get out of here.
Why would you need to run me?
You don't got any warrants, do you? Huh?
No, sir.
Okay, well, I was just wondering because most people, when they don't want to give you their name, is worried about them having warrants.
You got your camera on?
Yeah.
Okay.
So what's happening?
I really don't want to talk about it now because you.
That's fine.
You.
I've been what?
You breaking my constitutional rights, sir.
Oh, I am. Okay.
I promise you are.
Okay.
But just like you don't want to explain to me, I'm not gonna teach you. You should already know these things. So I'm gonna let you.
What constitutional right did I break?
He's an auditor.
Listen to your friend. Listen to your friend.
He's an auditor. This is something he does. He's big on TikTok, big on YouTube.
Thank you,
But
sir.
I've watched a lot, so I know kind of how it works.
So can you explain to him why I don't have to give him my name or my identity? I don't have to.
Sir, when you're in here in Walmart causing a disturbance and they call us, yeah, we need to investigate what's going on.
You got a supervisor? Because you
Yeah,
gonna
I got
keep
a
telling me, can you get him out here?
Yeah.
Thank you. I don't have to identify myself.
If you want to talk to him, he's on the way.
I'm just trying to learn you before he get here, because he finna tell you the same thing.
So what most auditors do is they'll try to get you to put your hands on them. They'll try to get you to put them in trust. I know, Pete. Just listen.
But if he calls it a disturbance,
I understand completely. But their goal is they want
check
to
him
sue.
for warrants.
No, you're breaking my constitutional rights by threatening to take me to jail for not giving you my name when I haven't committed a
I
crime.
threatened you to take you to jail.
You said I was resisting.
Pete, just don't talk.
No, but it's good.
It's on camera.
I threatened you, sir. I'm on camera.
It's on
too.
camera. You said I was resisting. Resisting what?
Did
The
I
only
threaten
thing you
to
can
take you
resist
to
is arrest. I can refuse to give you my name, but I can't resist you unless you're arresting me.
Yeah.
Am I detained?
You are being detained.
Under what penal code?
Under this call right now that I'm on, this investigation.
What penal code?
The sheriff declares the citizen detained, claiming this justifies his demand for ID. However, the Fourth Amendment prohibits detentions without reasonable suspicion of criminal activity. The citizen calls out the lack of probable cause, stating that being told to leave a private business does not equate to a crime. A younger deputy steps in, recognizing the citizen's rights, but the sheriff persists in misusing his authority, unwilling to back down.
Give me 1 second.
Thank you, sir.
See, you're the one wanting to cause trouble, not me.
No, I don't.
Yeah.
I would have just left. But you thought I didn't know what I was talking about. You thought you was just gonna break my constitutional
They wanted
rights.
you gone. I want to ban you. I want to run your
That's
ID.
fine.
and check
I
you
ain't
for
broke the law
warrants
though.
And then let you go.
I ain't
but
broke.
since now you want to stay and you want to wait for my supervisor to come and talk to you, we gonna stay here and we're gonna wait on him.
He gonna come talk to you.
Okay.
He ain't
All right.
coming to talk to me,
Oh, we
buddy.
gonna talk to you.
All right. I thought you was a nice guy, but you came in there telling me I was resisting and things like that. You ain't even want to hear my story.
They called me. You haven't given me a chance.
Do you know what's going on?
You hadn't even given me a chance.
Look what's in my hand right here. Look what I'm dealing with.
Baby formula.
Right.
And then
You think I'm here to cause trouble? I'm not upset. You're
because
upset.
they wouldn't let you buy it back.
I bought it back. They already
said
broke
that
the law by selling it back
She
to
said
me.
that you were calling
They failed. You're about to fail.
So they said call me.
You're
because
about to
called
fail
a
your
disturbance
test.
And they want you
Calm
out of here.
down.
That's all. That's all it is.
Didn't I walk out willingly with you?
And then you said you want me to hear your story.
But you said I was resisting.
But you won't tell me your
Resisting
story.
what?
You won't tell me your story. You want to get me on camera.
You didn't want to hear it. You
wanna
already
get
on
me-
camera
I know,
saying
that's
you
fine.
didn't want to
You want
hear
to
it.
get me out of character, which I'm not. I'm just telling you what you're doing.
All right.
You don't really want me to hear your story. But
Not
if you'd
now.
like to tell me, sir, I'd like to listen.
Not now.
Okay.
You already
But
broke
you
my.
do want to
you
wait
al-
for my supervisor, so we're going to sit here and be quiet and wait.
you- I'm not gonna be quiet.
Okay.
First Amendment. You know that one? I don't gotta be quiet.
You don't have to be quiet.
Thank you.
I am.
Appreciate it. De-escalate. That's your job. De-escalate the situation.
I do every day.
Doesn't seem like it.
Stand by. 65.
10-4 count. If you'll touch the call, appreciate it. All right, good. Yeah. You want to speak to our supervisor?
Yes, sir. Definitely. Definitely.
We're here with you.
You've been great, sir. You've been great. You've been great.
He's older. I'm younger. I watch
understand.
a lot more like stuff.
I understand. Man, I didn't come to cause trouble. I didn't even know he was coming. This is what I was dealing with, but he came in and barged in on me like I don't know my rights and I ain't got none at all. So
But you know, there's constitutional rights, there's federal law, and then you got state law.
nothing
too, right?
trumps those constitutional rights, sir. Nothing. You should know that.
Okay.
Just in case you have to, just in case you lose your badge,
I got you.
you should understand that your constitutional rights.
Hey, if you got
That's
me
top
here,
dog, buddy.
you got me here, you got me here. But guess
But
what?
you've been nice, man. I appreciate you. I promise, man. Good energy,
Can I
man.
ask you a question?
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
Have I been ugly?
Have you got any money yet
Any money?
Yeah.
Plenty.
from suing?
Nah, I don't need to do that.
So you have.
Nice.
Nah, I don't need to.
How was I not nice?
I asked him, man. I
Did I
didn't.
ask you your name?
Hey, it's all good.
I-
I'm
nah,
not worried about it. Peace.
Ask him. He told me I was resisting arrest in front of all
Never
these.
told you that.
In front of all these people in Walmart, as if I'm a criminal, man.
Your name.
I was like, man, come on, man.
You
But you did you not tell me I had to give you my name?
Huh?
Did you not tell me I had to give you my
I said
name?
you needed
So
to.
here's
No,
what
you
I'm-
said you had to give me.
here's what
I
I'm
had to give you my name.
It's hot. I'm gonna sit in my beautiful AC car.
Man, you
while we
blessed,
wait on
man.
my
I
supervisor.
got to stand out here and wait on the supervisor, man. It is hot. He told me I was detained, and I'm trying to figure out why.
Because you want to be.
I can't leave.
Because you want to be.
You are.
You can leave right
happy
now.
to leave right
Huh?
now. That's why
I ain't
asked-
going
but
nowhere
don't
now.
come back.
I don't want your supervisor. I want
Yeah,
him to
that's-
teach
that's
you
why I
something.
asked you.
So
That's
no,
why
I
you're
want
not
him to
being
teach you
detained.
something. I'm
You're
not going
detained
nowhere.
On your own.
You detained me.
No.
It's on
You
camera.
detained-
Didn't he detain me? You seen it? You ain't got to. You getting you some good footage.
I just said you could go home. But hey, you want to stay here and wait on him? That's up to
I'm
you.
definitely gonna wait on him.
This is silly.
You told me I was detained, and you think I'm gonna walk off from you?
Well, I guess you have me detained now because I got stuff I got to do, but you got me
No,
detained now.
well-
So we got each other detained.
Well, you should have
He's on his
came
way.
in.
You talk to him, and then I'm out of here.
You should have came with a de-escalating spirit and not the one you in.
Okay. Okay.
Me on
You're
camera.
here too.
Unlawful detainment for what? For what?
All of the disturbance in Walmart.
I ain't caused no disturbance.
Accusing the citizen of causing a disturbance, the sheriff doubles down without presenting any evidence or investigating further. Under Brown v. Texas, 1979, the Supreme Court made it clear that citizens cannot be compelled to provide identification without reasonable suspicion of a crime. The citizen schools the sheriff on the difference between private property rules and criminal trespass, leaving the officer struggling to justify his actions. The younger deputy attempts to de-escalate, further undermining the sheriff's flawed approach.
All of the disturbance in Walmart.
I ain't caused no disturbance. I was as quiet as
wasn't here,
a
but
mouse
that's what
standing
they
right
called
there.
us. When you look on my call,
It's on camera.
The signal on the call says at 25, which is a disturbance.
Does that camera lie? Neither does mine.
That's right.
You
I
understand?
wasn't here when the disturbance was going on.
You didn't care to be here. You
Cameras
could have got
on?
my
Because
side.
they probably have cameras on the whole
You could have
thing.
got my side.
Tried to.
No, you didn't.
But you just want to
It's
talk
on
about
camera.
constitutional rights.
Right.
And you want to talk about pot stirring stuff because you're trying to stir a pot.
My constitutional rights is more important than you trespassing me from Walmart for something you ain't even discussed amongst us.
Yeah.
This
I
is
just
a
asked you what your name
This
was.
is a private owned business.
asked you what your name
I'm the
was.
public.
How is it wrong for you
I'll
to
pay
ask
you.
what your name is?
I'll pay you.
How is it
I live right around the corner. You just
I
ran
wear
my name.
on here.
You just ran
how
my
is it
name.
right
I'll
for you
pay
to
my
ask-
taxes that pay you. This a private owned business to protect and
You
serve.
do not want to talk about
Who did
that.
you swear to protect and serve? Under oath.
public.
The public.
That's
This is
right.
private owned.
And I'm here to serve and protect you.
What you protecting them from?
Huh?
I'll go ahead and let you pat me down too before you get to acting like I got something on me.
I'm just standing here waiting on my
Cause what you
card.
protecting them from?
You getting all excited, not me.
Man, I wake up excited. Good spirit, man. Institutional rights.
You do not have any idea who I am.
You're right. What's your name and badge number?
Peter Tadowski, 2733.
Thank you.
Sheriff's Office.
Now we do.
But you do not know me. So quit judging me.
You judge me.
I never judged you.
You just said I
By
caused the
asking your
disturbance.
name, and that was it.
You said I caused the
And then I told you
disturbance.
Walmart didn't want you in
You
here
said I
anymore.
caused the disturbance to who? They wronged
No, I
me,
said
and you don't
they-
even
I
know
said
that
they
yet.
called me because they said you started a disturbance.
They wronged me, and you don't even
But,
know that
sir, I
yet because you
wasn't-
haven't cared enough to
But
ask.
sir, I wasn't here.
You came to protect the private-owned business
Here's my
instead of the
supervisor.
public.
I'm done talking to you.
I know you are.
Who's our supervisor?
You're not smart enough to talk to me.
Okay. That's fine. You can keep belittling me, sir. That's fine. Here, you talk to
I'm
him.
not belittling you. You belittle me.
You're free to go, but you can talk to him.
I know I'm free to go and I'm free to stay.
Okay. You're not free to stay.
I'm
Not
free
at
to go and I'm
Walmart.
free to stay.
If you stay at Walmart,
I'm detained, remember?
okay, when you leave,
Right, when I leave.
all right.
I haven't left yet. A trespass is when you leave and you come back. Learn the law. How you doing, sir?
I don't know. I got
What's your name and badge number, sir?
It's Sergeant Robert Presley. Badge number is 1679.
Thank you, sir. He just broke my
wanted to talk to
constitutional right.
Okay. How's that?
Under the threat of arrest, he told me I had to give him my name and I hadn't broken the law.
In a last-ditch effort, the sheriff shifts blame onto the citizen, claiming he is the one prolonging the situation. However, the citizen firmly reminds him that under 42 U.S.C. Section 1983, violations of civil rights can lead to lawsuits. Realizing he's been outmaneuvered, the sheriff begrudgingly steps back, his ignorance exposed. This encounter highlights the importance of knowing your rights and how standing firm against overreach can leave even the most powerful figures humbled. Please like and subscribe for more police cam stories. Watch the next recommended video. Click to watch now.